Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify login problem. This email and password combination is incorrect. If you're using Spotify and you're trying to log in with your account but you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to log in, you see an error that your email and password combination is incorrect. So let's see how can you fix that. There's a very easy step to fix the issue. You have to make sure or keep in mind that the email or the Gmail which you're logging are trying to log in, the email must have to be logged in on your phone. So once you are logged in, you just have to tap on this login without password option. And here, you just have to tap on open email app. You can see that we have sent an email with a link that will you log in at the Gmail address. So you just have to simply go back from here and you have to try to open your mail app or your Gmail app here. I have Gmail app here, open that. Here's the Spotify mail. Just open this. And here you have a link to log in with your account. You just have to tap on the code of Spotify and it will be automatically logged in with your account. So you can also set a new password or you can try start listening to continue without entering or adding a password here. So in this way you can easily log in without your password on Spotify. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.